Asikhulume podcast Monday morning. It's not a morning. Hey, no, it's 1 o'clock. It's afternoon. Hey, abona mahlela phasi kwehlahla ugcine solo ucabanga solo kusekuseni. My brother, khamba kanjani?
100 stop.
Yeah, no, kahle ngikhulume if ufuna ukwenza ama nails, you can contact us. There's nails by Sheza. Yabo? Ufuna ukwenza manicure, pedicure. Yeah, nengobe yabo ama eyelashes. Cela mcheck ushes nails by Sheza. Kulo ku TikTok ubona umsebenzi wakhe, so umcheck laphana. Umlandelele ama prices wafaka escreenini khona ukubona nawo ufuna ukwenza izinto ube grant ube muhle njengesister namajita abayenza ushaya ibuff and shine ube mnandi. Yeah ama prices uzowafaka lapha uzosibonela. My brother
mfethu ba
kanjani
straight my dog straight 100.
Yeah, the other time when we dropped that episode besithi soshaya sesikhuluma nge-religion yabo manje namhlanje yabona divert ne. But today I'm so lucky and I'm so glad ukuthi namhlanje ufuna uzi-introduce because solo laphana bekithi my guest but ubani igama ngingabhala
nokuthi ubuya kuphi dololo.
Awe so uzosi-introduce nguphi platform namhlanje uzosi-introduce ukuthi kanjani.
Yeah, ngendlela right.
Awe
bafethu abodadewethu abomkhulu abogogo naboma-oledi nginesho ukuthi vele bebamangele ukuthi kanti lomjida nawo sekangena endaweni kwenzakalayo. Mina igama ngisibusile futhi manje ngokuzalwa isibongo sami ngwakamkhaya.
awudifinishe
kusho njalo mara manje uzomangala dok mina lesibongo this biological surname even ku-ideas uzomangala uthi ngisebenzise mina ibongo omtrendo ma-4-5 empilweni kungako ngithi lezi zinto zamadlozi azisebenzi ngoba ngophahlaliki uyangithola. Anyway bafowethu kusho ukuthi my biological surname wena mfethu ngisiluze kanjani isibongo. Kusho ukuthi oledi lami 1984 njengoba ngisho, and before that bokuwumuntu ohamba athengisa amadoyila impahlanyana ama-second hand kanjalo.
oledi.
Yeah, oledi lami.
Okay.
As little as much njengoba nami ngenza same thing.
Lenti running through your veins.
Mfethu egazini yeah.
Okay.
So ke then kwenzakala wena mfethu kwathi oledi nalishona. Oledi lami ishonele la isodwala ufana emaplazini.
RIP man.
Yeah. So ukuthi la kwazeka khona.
Omla kwazeka khona.
Yeah, kwazeka khona. Yes.
Ukhula ningakhe ekhaya?
Sikhula okay right. Sikhula mina ngikhula nosesi wami ozemva kwami mara khona omdala. Lo mdala usho ukuthi bekahlala ne-time alanga ngalelo shilo.
First born there.
First born. So ukuthi ku-oledi ne?
3.
Yeah, si-3 mina ngiphakathi nendawo ngi-out. And then kuthama ngi-first born.
Okay.
Uyangithola. So ke then ngizalelwa la yikazi anyway.
Kulale omkasana?
Yeah.
Mayizulu sithamukani. Okay, siyeza lapho. Okay, yeah.
Kahle.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Yeah. So ke wena mzawami kusho ukuthi manje i-oledi mayiqeda ukushona.
Yeah.
Ngazohlala nabo magogo ngisho ukuthi umntana washonile angahlali ne-time lakhe ngoba i-oledi belingahlali ne-time lakhe my biological father. So now what happened is as bengihlala nabo uncle nabo magogo ngasebenzisa esinye isibongo ofithi sakamagogo lesibongo leso sakadube.
Okay.
That is why ngalilikazi one ngalingasethandwayo.
Yeah.
Kunenye indawo umuntu angakaduke lo.
Yeah.
Uyangithola.
Ngamagogo.
Yeah, via le shop le mara lapha ngamagogo via le family engadoptile. Not the genuine one. Uyangithola. That is why ngibuyele ngithi le madlozi store.
So wena utalelwa elikazi. Your mom is from Likazi.
I-oledi lami kusho ukuthi yena ngokuzalwa kwakhe bebahlala eYesweni.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uthame ehlala pha.
Uthama ehlala elikazi uzalelwe elikazi.
Okay. So batholana njani oledi?
Khona lapho ngoba ithama lisifane kakhulu la igama belisifana la imbodlela wena mfethu.
Okay.
Angithandi ukuyisho lo short mara anyway yeah.
Okay, say.
Right. Kusho ukuthi uma bathi njengoba ngihlala nabo magogo ku-my biological family. Singaze sifike kuleya se-1 because leya se-1 it's not my real family. The time ngihlala nama-biological family bathi uma sisuka koma-85 khona lapho ngoba bengingena isikolo eZwelisha ngenza grade 1 ya SSB sathi uma suka lapho bangisa sayohlala eTatawu komunye umagogo futhi from there sayohlala Mayo Estate isemaplaza.
Okay.
Yeah, ngahlala laphayana and then Mayo Estate, you know what happened in my life? It's in 1988. Yeah, 89. Ngelinye ilanga ngoba benginabangani babantwana bafana babelungu so
Okay.
yeah angeke basho amagama wabo ngoba nale plaza sisekhona lapha yonke.
Okay.
Bengihlala nabo after school uma babe esikoleni sidibana sidlala kube mnandi kube ngiloko. Ngelinye ilanga out yami sihambile angisakhumbuli kwangaze besiyobukela iMango Groove eWhite.
Yeah.
And then apparently ngithi uma ngibuya on a Sunday ngathola endlini kusele udonga yonke into ngisho nezayami bahambe nabo ngeke manje.
Mama.
Not old age, ngisho belibodile old age abomagogo everything and the little ones even my little sister yeah bebengilandele baba bahambile akunamuntu endlini umlungu abuyele sicheke so ngathi umlungu njengoba ungekho ngizokuthatha ngihlale naye lapho lo mlungu akadoctor khona and apparently before loyo nyaka loyo phela beka chief amuvele to another farm somewhere ngale kuma Tricross and whatsoever
That white person, that white family, yeah. Okay.
Samuvela ngale sathi masimuvela ngale ngoba umlungu ngalezo inkathi bekunzima manje ubona omnyama hamba nomlungu
So manje ngicela ukubamba umlomo la uhamba khona uthola uma sewubuya back wathola nganamula lapha endlini ilaba ka doctor khona nakhona.
Yeah, it's like yabona ngibekisela kanje this friend of mine la lengamla lezi uthole ukuthi on a Friday ngibavakashela ngoba bengibavakashela by Friday ngibuye ngama Sundays or sometimes they'll drop me off on Monday mornings for school yabo. So then sivakashile for that weekend njengoba siyobukela that Mango Groove thing.
Ngisho usuka ekhayini coba.
Yebo kubo magogo la sihlala khona.
Oh, kusekhayini lapho.
Yes, at the biological
Lawo bathola khona bahambile bachiya.
Yeah, at the farm day. So masibuya nalabelungu later on la sithola khona kungena muntu. Well, uphela
Uhlala
unyaka.
nobani lapho nomama nobani?
Angisho already welibhodile. Ngihlala nomagogo nabo uncles. Yeah.
Lo akamkhatha.
Not that side. That's my father's side. On the mother's side.
Okay.
Yeah, on the mother's family, the mother's sister, the mother's brother. Yes, and the biggest family.
Nibo bathola bahambile.
Yeah. Uthola kungana muntu dog.
Baye.
Senze ukuthi akunamuntu. Bahambile as in out.
Like they won't come back.
Bathuthile vele.
But they know ukuthi wena awukho.
Yeah, bayazi la.
Okay.
Kunzima. Ngathi kungelinye ilanga uma ngibuya. I think on the same week, the following weekend, besiye eTown nalengamla lezi. Khona la
That's
eTown.
about
Njengoba ngihlala nabo. Yes, because ngibake kutshentsha nesikolo vele angisho baya shift about to another farm.
Yeah.
Uzwa ke an interesting part sithe uma sidlula lapha kunenye indawo bathi kusesikakhaya.
Sikhahani ya.
Yeah, kunenye shop nyama. Sithe uma sidlula ngababona kuna mazenkenyana nani lapha.
Bona bo. To that farm.
Yes.
La uhambe wafika wathola bangekho khona.
Yeah. Sibathola bahleli kule shop le kusho ukuthi lapha eplazini kwangazi ukuthi into ukuthi baxoshiwe babalayisha ngetruck bababeka lapha ya
ayikuzivele bazibaleke
yeah something like that and then ngitshele mina lengamla ngithi musilaba ya athi hey uyababona bahleli njani la ngithi mina ngiyabona athi mhlambe lesimo lesiyana besingabhekananga wena mhlambe right la mina akunankinga siqhubeke sihambe awuthami sibuye nini ngithole sebathriftile because bebalahlele nje kube bababeke nje bathriftile yeah siqhubeke iminyaka lo lengamla ingenzela iplan ukuthi la eplazini lapho athola omunye ubaba onomfazi athi ngicela ukuthi lo mntana lo umuntu omnyama ngicela ungihlalele naye
yena soyashifa
no akachief
ukuze umuntu okhona relate kahle njenge black and black
yeah umuntu omnyama nokugunda bona thina sigunda njani abagundi njengathi siziningi right ngitholele timer leli sibongo sami sangamhlala and lo madala lokhu kanjani lo madala unomfazi lapha eplazini mara lo mfazi akanayo ingane and then bese kuba nomfazi ahlukene naye kunabantwana naye lo ohlala elokishini lapha ngithi mina kamagogo ekhoneni lapha ngibiza khona ngodo uyangibona
yeah
right wena mfethu kusho ukuthi manje kulela Jared kulabantu abamnyama lengamla ingicelele around about bekophela unyaka ngahlala nabo August September October zavalwa ikolo zathi uma zivalwa ikolo sayo bangivakashisa somewhere ngala igame bokhola chochobo somewhere
ubashiso baningi labantu abamnyama hlala nabo
laba bangi-adoptile my new family the new family nawo isibongo sabo sakamhlanga but umadala ukhumbula unabantwana bakhe bayi-3 baselokishini ewa
okay
and mina sekufanele ngimjwayele labantwana sho ukuthi sekwabo ubhuti wami nabosesi wami kanjalo yabona abantwana basekhaya right vele nami ngizisondeze la kunento ebuhlungu kodwa yenzakele kimi lapho mina by birth ngil-78
okay
kulela Jared ilasibone yakhona ngil-79 yabona
unalamana
yeah mara silamana kanjani mina ngoba ngeke ngibe kudala kunabo I'm the last in the family you know what happened bangithatha isi-ID mara minyaka sekufanele iphuke ngoba ngeke ngikwazi ukulingana nalowo but then nakhona futhi ngibuye ngithi kahle kahle ngoba izinto zenziwa umuntu mina bekufanele unyaka wami bangawuphula thami angisho le oledi leli ngihlala nalo mathamba le step oledi leli akananxusa bekufanele ngibe i-biological nxusi yakhe labayana baqhubeke
kanjalo mara ngandibungana power to say that
yes and bengimncane futhi
so bona laba kusekufuna bakuthathisa i-ID
sengisho ukuthi
masofika le age
le matric and whatsoever
so before lapho isitifiketi sakho sokuqala besithini
isitifiketi sami sokuzalwa
bungana
kusho ukuthi manje bengingana uyazi abantu abadala kwenzakala mfethu uyabo into nje bengiyazi ukuthi hayi ngazalwa unyaka so kanje uyabona
but sibongo usebenzisa isibongo lapho
bengisebenzisa lesakaDube ngathi uma ngifika ngala that's my adopted family kulapho ngitshentsha khona isibongo ngiba wakamhlanga
but lapho uchenja in writing or just change
in black and white and everything even namanje ngisebenzisa sona ku-ID uyabona uma ngihlala nale time ukhumbule ke manje nawo abantwana bakhe bahlala elokishini kufanele nami ngibavakashele
ujwayelene nale family and everything
ngibazivele uyabona ngibe nwa and sengikujwayele lokho ngoba bangi-adoptile kwasekucaleni ngale ngabe ngahlala nogogo bancane ngabe ngahlala nomlungu vele lokhu kusegazini anginendaba nadlozi even though the original family bekungilabo mara mina kimi akungisizi yabona ngoba nokuphahla ngiphahla ilutho mina ngisebenza ngoNkulunkulu yangibona right
so manicela ukubuza so lama-families lawo anama-beliefs wabo wenza njani naye lama-beliefs wabo
kulapho-ke wena mfethu uma benza into zabo mina deep down in my heart kuba nalento yokuthi abakwenze lokhu bakwenzako bakwenze lokhu abakukhonzako kodwa mina ngisuke uyikhonza leyo nto uyabona kunenye into interesting futhi kule family le bengi-adoptile ayithana ukhona umamncane engimthanda kakhulu umamncane loyo ngahlala naye isikhathi eside umtrend ma 5 to 6 years ngabe sese-primary up until secondary umamncane loyo so into uNkulunkulu awuthami so into Christian bekasonta e-Alliance Union Church uyamthanda uNkulunkulu ngenhliziyo yakhe yonke uyu umuntu owangifundisa ukuthi ukuhlonipha ukunaka izinto ngisho nokupheka bengibuka kuye even though yena mhlawumbe bekanganotice ukuthi kanjani nabo izinto eziningi zempilo awuthami bengibuka kuye even though ngimithe ngoDecember January saqala so angangazi nami ngingamazi uyabona but bengimthatha njengomama the way bekangenza ngifile not a1 lapho bangithatha kusho ukuthi bahamba bayothatha le family ngi-adoptile ngoba bahlala emaplazini lena kuhlala bangithatha basiya sohlala kwenye indawo ngala emalayinini bathi kusesiva
abrado wambile
kabuhlungu futhi yabona sahlala ngale sigama bangipheleza kwenye primary bathi kusemathafeni do you know ukuthi nangale ngasho igama uthami yazi bangibiza ubani always you know why yimi owafika kuqala ngale uniform beyibhale always
iqhamuka le uniform
beyithenga kudala le mpahla lezi ngisho kunabo young bangibiza
basala bakuphola igama kanjani
awuthami lahlala kusho ukuthi manje nalaphayana ngidlile labangale bangazi bazothi nawo nguma-olisi siyamazi bangibiza ngoma-olisi ngisho nasesowethu khona bangazi
benjani ukukhulela emakhaya by the way ngokukhulela ngale it's different phela ngikhulela ekufini
kona bekuhlukile but for mina wena mfethu beku-easy ngoba kunezinye izinto wena out yami mina bengizibona ngenye indlela
Yeah.
yonke into kimi kusho ukuthi beyifana ne-challenge
Yeah.
bengingafani ne-problem
Mm.
bengifanisa ne-challenge ukuthi into ekufanele ngidlule kuyo kanjani
Kanjalo, yeah.
and bengi-enjoya lokho ngoba manje for mina bekubonakala kwangazuthi indlela vele kufanele ngiphile ngayo
Yeah.
ngiyangithola so-ke ngathi uma ngikhula uma mncane lo ngikutshela ngaye apparently wagcina phasa i-matric yakhe she left there and there was another uncle well naye one of the steps ngikhuluma ngathi step family angisho
Yeah.
yes and ukhumbule futhi kule step family singadoptile angisho bayi-two there's a father and a mother
Yeah.
now kunezinye ihlobo zakama-oledi
Okay.
yilezi angale kule side laseGoli le step oledi
Khona ufike uvakasha.
kufanele ngibazi ngibe nabomalume ngibe nabokhazini ngibe nabogogo abasha ngibe nabashana abasha ngibuye ngikwazi uku-adapta futhi nalapho uyangithola that is why mina it's not easy ukuthi ungangibona ngihlukumeza umuntu
Yeah.
and umuntu mina lakini that is why angina-green angina-blue angina-yellow siyafana
Yeah. So ukuba
yeah
uphi sesikwere wakho lapho?
khona
Ukuphi?
ngaleso sikhathi uyakhula yena ukhulela khona labo mapinari kanjalo ngoba bathi uma basuka kusho ukuthi bakhule ukhula nalaba abanye labo kukhula yabo mamncanyana laba abanye nalabo uncle ngoba
So
sinazo
but wena abakwazi ukuthi ukuphi?
abangazi
Ayi for real.
mfethu yimi umuntu bekahamba afuna bona ngisho even kumanje batholwe yini uyabona yimi
So-
bekahamba ngibafuna
So uyahamba uyovakasha kubo game nako konke.
kuba ngiloko impilo iyaqhubeka nesikolo ngapha ngibhizi ngiyaqhubeka nabokhazini bantwana basekhaya bomalume bani engingabazi kufanele ukuthi ngize ngibazi
Yeah.
nabangani abasha everything you understand ngesinye isikhathi uyabona uNkulunkulu futhi usebenza ngenye indlela mina nginokuke ngizibone ezinye izinto maybe a little bit phambidlana
Yeah.
ngizame ukuthi ngi-align ngihambe according uyabona
Yeah.
kuloko okungisizayo esikhathini esiningi angi-ignore whatever loku engikuzwa ukuthi bangitshela kona ithina uma ngilele noma uma ngivukile
Okay.
uyabona ngale ndlela uNkulunkulu a-communicate nami ngakhona ngile ndlela vele a-communicate nami ngakhona nalesiphiwo lesi angiphe sona the way angiphe sona ngale ndlela yakhe
Okay.
so nawe wena mfethu ngithi uma ngifika kwi-matric into eyenzakele ku-matric before ngiyobhala i-matric mina ngaba angiqale la 97 ngi-encounter i-problem ukuthi kunezinye izinto bezingifikela either emini ngiseklasini noma ebusuku ngilele ukuthi probably ngizoba ne-problem on nenye futhi kodwa ngizibuza ukuthi kanjani kwathi kuphela nje uma ngingaphasa probably maybe matric whatsoever in the near tertiary level institution ngingaba ne-problem loko awuthami ngazikwenza ukuthi 97 number one kule family engi-adoptile
Yeah.
lo madala umhlanga beka ingane yakhe kusho ukuthi yokuqala bekuyintombazane
Yeah.
she passed away and
Oh,
apparently
sorry.
yeah you know she was working quite well she passed away loko somehow khona into ekuyakhile la kimi and then 98 ngadecide ukuphuma kulesa sikole because bekunento ethi kimi angiphume ngaphuma ngazongena eThembeka ngiqedelela khona i-matric and then eThembeka uyabona iseduze nalapha yes kwaMakhokha
Lapho besekuthatha uzohlala khona ngale.
ya angisho vele uma sivala ikolo ngiyavakasha ngala kanjalo kufanele ngivakashe lena ya yabo wonke umuntu angijabulele and ngapha ngumntana futhi obuya belungwini yabo lokho kuyasiza
Yeah.
danko wena mfethu right sithi uma siku-98 before ngibhale i-matric I think it was around about lento leninzima mathami it was around about March yabo khona into kimi eyakafika nje esibuka ecava uma ungaphasa ngoku-matric loko maybe ungaba nenkinga mara uma ungayiyeka lento loyifeyile ungaba probably impilo yakho ingafika ngazibuza ukuthi kanjani you know what happened bro ngayibhala i-matric but mina I was not so interested ngayifeyila nge-purpose yabo.
Why? What was happening?
Because bengifuna ukuprova lento le angisho ukuthi kune problem ukuthi yeah, and apparently ekokuqala ngibhalile ngezwe ukuthi la ba-announce ku-radio, that was 98, ba-announce nakuma-TV ukuthi la eMpumalanga matric konzakele ini kuna-something scandal whatsoever, kwaphuma ama-results awesi-2, athi uma phuma wesi-2 ngangasabibikho ephepheni, ngathi good shot, ngangayi ko-supplement, ngathi let me see. But you know what I did? After that, I went for a tertiary institution, ngaphasa like this. That is why ngisho sales and marketing management graduated. Ngana matric because I did qualify ukuthi ngingangena. So even now, that is why le matric le angiyiboni umsebenzi number 1, number 2 kungako nje imfundo wena mfethu. So kuye sikhulume ngelinye ilanga. Ngizama ukubuya la ekuthenini ukuthi ngithe uma ngenza futhi another research hayi yala nje labantu abalwela noma abanama-matric esikhathini esiningi ubabheka amakhanda wabo mhlawumbe. I'm sorry to say this but bangazuthi awasebenzi kahle, especially generation le after 15 so uyibuke namanje uthole bona babhema inyawupe ungathi ndoda phakathale grade ngathatha 3 hours ukubala hayi lapho bona kwangazuthi yiko lokho bengangibonisa kona lokho ukuthi I might fall into that trap le-web mayela website abantu laba bakule nkolo yabona. So ngikhaza ukuthi kahle kahle i-generation le ngikhule nayo mina uyibheke nale after mina yabo le misunderstanding yazo zonke izinto kungiloko. So-ke ngifuna ukubuya ngithi mina ukhulu engikubonile ngalipho wena mfethu lezi zinto lezi zonke ezenzakala kimi tot namanje angiphahli
Uphahla
idlozi
bani futhi njani
uyangithola yeah mina ngibiza umdali uyabona mina uma ngiyethuneni lethama lami noma lo olethi ngifika ngifunda iQuran yeah ngiyabacelela ngale kumdali ukuthi mhlambe ehlisa isigwebo or kanjalo yabo lokho ukuthi ngifanele ngenze njalo kanjalo no. That is why abantu abakhonza lento yabo abayikhonze bona
yonke umuntu into mayemsebenzela kenzeka singajaji
ngokwabo sena singabajuthi ukuthi bakhonzele kwesikukhonzayo mara batshele liqiniso nangabe unakho ungalifihli uyayibona. So-ke mina lokho wena mfethu ukuthi ngigcina ngiyikhameleon ngiphila le and namanje lama-challenges engidibana nawo and bese ngiyabuka wonke umuntu kwangazuthi ophila ngaphansi kwesandla somdali uvame ukuba nawo lama-challenges lawo kodwa ngiyakutshela ngithi mina ngoba mkhulu yena ngizobona. Ngisho the last time ufika la kokuqala bengiphethe ama-20 nyana ayi-2 i-RG ne-Voyager nyana amasuku for sure 28 nama-snacks nyana ngicela ukuthi next week or nini siyenze another episode. Ngisho ukuthi uNkulunkulu ubasibeke kwenye indawo awuthami yabona kule piece nyana la sibeke kuyo probably manje uNkulunkulu mkhulu mfethu mkhulu and then sizobuya futhi sibakhumbuza abafowethu asikhohlwanga abafowethu angisho sakhumbula ezithi somchazela ukukhulu bakaNkulunkulu nalo mehluko ukuthi kahle kahle uSathane fanele understand. That is why ngithe mina namhlanje ake nginitshela ukuthi mina ngikhule kanjani nina especially bamadlozi nana ngisho ukuthi ngikhonza ku-wrong but sengiyasho ukuthi nani nikhonza labo Jesu bani uyabona ukuthi mina baningi kanjani abo Jesu engigijime kubo maningi kanjani amadlozi engigijime kubo akungisizanga ngalutho into engisizile kuphela umdali kuko konke umdali ohamba phambili so-ke
before sivala ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi labelungu mase bakuthatha labantu abamnyama batheni bona mase bakuthatha sebakunikisa yonke lento vele it was their way ukuthi vele bakunikide labanye abantu
yabo ngaphila nabo and apparently akazange ngilahle shame umlungu wabantu wahlala naye lo madala just ukuthi ngoba impilo ingenye indlela mina 2001 somewhere kula ngihamba khona ngiyeJozi isikhathi eside ngilokhu ngibele ngibuya
eJozi ufika kabani
eJozi ngifika ku-one of the mamncanisi laba ngi-adoptile kahle ngifika ku-firstborn kamamncane yalo mamncane lo bengihlala naye lo ngithi bengimthanda kakhulu
ngokufundisa
usesi wakhe umntana kubo mdala bekanedada so kwaba into yokuthi hayi bafanasi mani yazi njengoba una-license nyana khuphuka mani and then ngakhuphuka ngafika ngale yena ngapha unendlu kufanele kugada umuntu well ngahlala laphana ngathola isipani kwabangiloko and kule misebenzi engiyitholile mina thami ngiphushile because I've handled a measure of high positions in different companies, even though ngelinye ilanga siyofika lapho.
Yeah.
Kodwa lokho kungifundisa okuningi. Hayi ukuthi futhi ngithi la ngoba mhlambe si-foster ukuthi umuntu abe yi-celebrity. Phela abantu they don't understand.
Yeah.
They think nangabe kuwukuthi la uzama ukuthi unabo.
No, there's a message esindlulisako.
Sibuyisa nabanye abafowethu.
Kwamanje ungabona ngathi siyadlala kumbe whatsoever, ungabona ukuthi naye lona ngathi ahlala vele kanje.
Gijimela le ibhorekile yini.
Awubhoreke, you got something to do.
Exactly. And nangaphandle kwaloko wena mfowethu into engizwisa ubuhlungu ukuthi abafowethu la ngaphandle lana especially laba basestradini bayithatha ngenye indlela. Uyabona mina nami ngomunye wabo basestradini ngoba vele ngiyafana. That is why anginankinga umuntu uma biza mina athi esikhotheni. Abanye bakubuza ngesikhotheni makuthola ukuthi uyo esikhotheni.
So wenze kanjani because le situation yakho le end up ekuyo ungagcina uphelela ngama-drugs ungaphelanga ugcina nabathi sengibide ngalamagama labintu abantu balamkhotheni.
Yeah.
Wenzeka kanjani ungafikanga to that extent?
Yeah, kusho ukuthi mina wena mfethu the way bekwenzakala ngakhona ne.
How did you handle that?
How did I handle that? Always mina kimi bekunalento yokuthi ndoda wena on your own you are just a replacement. Ngifana ne-oli la kushoda khona ula ngifika ngikuhlesha khona. Kungako wena mfethu ubuya kancane emuva 97 the little version I had it was ngithe uma ngibuyela uma ngihlala nale family bengi-adoptiwe 98 ne after the sister had just died kuke kwaba khona nezinto zokuthi ndoda kufanele ukusebenza hard because manje lo muntu lo bengangisuthi bekabhizi la kwangazuthi usebenze hard. Well bekunzima for mina kulapho-ke ngigcina ngiba nalesibindi sokucala leya kwesiphazanyana lokuyana mhlawumbe bengicanga ukuthi kungahle kusize there and there feeling that ukuthi kwangazuthi le gap le banginike yona sola ngakayivali kahle uyabona. So-ke nga-understand ukuthi maybe mina vele i-position yami ukuthi ngipheshe yonke indawo la ngithola khona ukuthi yami ngiyaphesha ngifika njengokuphesha ngisho noma ungangithatha even namanje ngibeke la ngiyangithola ngi-all over ungangibeka la uthi yami in a week's time uzobona sekunomehluko la angenzi ngomuthi ngomdala ngamandla komdala kuphela. Nasemarenkeni ngifikile ngirenkile isikhathi eside bengithi uma ngilibamba ibhasi kube nomehluko anginamahloni ukukhuluma lokho ukuthi yami ngithola via in sengenzela ukuthi omunye nomunye sanokwenzeka empilweni uhlangana nobunzima ngale ndlela uhlangana nabo and wena you think ukuthi you've got someone or everybody has got their own story to tell but then na ungakenzwanga le story somunye umuntu uzoba nenkinga.
You're gonna be judgmental and judge it from a distance. You don't know what's happening.
Like ngikubekisela if mhlawumbe bengiforced ukuba yi-celebrity maningi ama-celebrity mina ngiwamithile awuyaphili mina overseas via lesibani benesithuli abogcina mhlophe umama wala elokhali bengihlale ngikhuluma ngithi ma-oledi uma ngifuna kubhala ibhuku about my life what can I do for my Richard Branson wow esingafika ngathi this guy sorry kancane. One thing that inspires me about Richard Branson uyambona namhlanje nama-flight up and down local and overseas ngimfanisa ukuthi cishe bekafana nami bekangekho brand emalini he was just living an ordinary life and apparently not even him it sounds as if like ngazi ukuthi u-uncle wakhe had some piece of land yena wenza iplan ngendlela yokuthi mfethu agcine arenta some certain flights there ukuthi kube nemali ingene local flight that's how he started operating and then now namhlanje sona we-locally so now international and then so he's in a Virgin Active, Virgin whatsoever, you know. So lezi zinto lezo kuma Shuttleware I mean I met those people. I would bring mithana mhlawumbe sifike because bengisebenza la bengisebenza khona. Bengike ngibuze guys ukuthi izinto ezifana lezi I'm telling you sometimes big bosses, big people. It's not that uyabona but sengisho ukuthi omunye nomunye in life bafika akudinga ukuthi sigive up ngibuke the new step that I will be taking now kodwa ngamandla kaNkulunkulu angisho bangihlutha ingane ngokuhlanganipha kwabo so mina ngiyayeka kanje mara kusala ngiyabanga ngithi nalo mthetho lo ufuna ukuthi usize konke lokho yiwo lo ngivukile ukuthi kugcine kubuya yonke lento le kuthi manje le nto ifana ne-puzzle nangabe uyidlalile noma iphelele mara kune-crack iyabonakala ukuthi la sihlanganisile la.
So uthola kanjani i-family yakho labo sisi wakho
kanjani
wathola kanjani how did you dig them and find them at the end of the day wathola kanjani
that's a good one. Well, okokuqala ne because bengithanda nalokudrive up and down.
Yeah.
Bengizama sniffed around ukuthi mhlambe kwakuphi ngithole ukuthi ngaya le maplazini le ngabuza bangitshela ukuthi hambe uyofuna khona ngalena bomapinari bogame bobush. Kanti-ke ukhumbule nangalesikhathi sisesebancane angisho besike sivakashe bogogo bani kuphi yabo. So benginako lokho ezinye indlela bengisazikhumbula. I would drive there even though it was maybe 17, 18 years, close to 20 years back. Ngidrive ngifunisele up until baze bangitshela. Yabona ukuqala ngathola umntana sekhaya bangitshela bathi uselhawu. Uselhawu kusema-gum trees lapha yeah. Ngafika ngabathola. Bathi ngibathola manje into ebuhlungu abanye sebashonile. Laba abenze ukuthi ngikhambe ngisale endleleni ebhendini ngoba mina benginale ukubuza ukuthi hawu ngisiya kanjani ngisabuye nongibheka or nenzani what are you doing with people yabo. Mara kodwa ngamandla kaNkulunkulu uNkulunkulu bekazi ukuthi why. Probably bengizo-encounter another kind of a lifestyle bengaphila lapha. Ngabuya-ke ngabathola ngaba-recover kanjani. And then after that ila impilo yaqhubeka sengabuya futhi ngaqalela phansi sekufanele ngiyofuna ifamily yakubani yakotime baba ngilo ngafika ngabathola spot 5 vele ngoba sengiyakhumbula futhi lapha kube easy ngithi uma ngivela njengomuntu wami ngalibona leli tshebe ngihlala ngidlala kulo makamakhelwa ngavela ngathi
yebo
la kusekhaya and ngalithola itime vele belisengakaphumi yabona yeah
so that's it bakhuluma nani
well it was happy because mina naye vele siyafana fana nama-twins
ukuthi mara belithini ukuthi yona izamile imizalo ukuthi kufuna yini
ungitshelile ungi-explainele umfethu wathi mfethu ayikho into bengayenzi oledi lapho libaleke nayo so as to nale ncosi yeah
safuna ukubuya lapha
so uyabona ukuthi history sometimes repeats itself manje into ebuhlungu mina ngibuye ngizigubhule ngithi ngoba oledi lami lashona kanjena please
nanivale lento leyo
it shouldn't be
the same thing.
I experience intwana yami yabona but uNkulunkulu ngoba unamandla ngisho mina bekangibonisa lezi enzela ukuthi kube so then I know so it's fine it's okay at the moment it will be something that will be gone just under the bridge ngoba yena unamandla ekuqaleni ngisho bengingazi ukuthi kufanele ngiyivimbe kanjani le but manje ungibonisile indlela and ngiyazi ukuthi lokwangokunqoba kanjani then I know for mina alhamdulillah.
So in closing, what can you say, my brother?
In closing, even though it's a rough schedule, it was too much.
No, it's too much.
Yeah.
When I very social episode to episode, every week, every month,
one episode.
Yeah,
I'm not trying to be funny or whatsoever.
In closing to a person, maybe he or she's going to a same situation
or kind of a similar situation. Mina ngithi yazi umntana sekhaya umfowethu noma udadewethu noma ubani bekezela umdali wazi yonke into and ngicela please don't give up whatever le uNkulunkulu akuphe yona unamandla wena musa ungezwe ngabantu bakuyenga njengamanje uSuku-August sorry to say this but uzobathi imbokotho inamandla imbokotho ayigabade futhi ngakuthusi mina njengama ngithusi ngoba manje imbokotho iyamosha basho ukuthi inamandla ekumosheni yeah, it must not be good. Hypocrite, it's all them. But anyway, I'm sorry to say this, but it is the honest truth. And unfortunately, it of very linking. If I'm trying and a why. Maraslungisa logo, as long as I'm not going that's the thing. And then umuchachu pega kwa sekale ubano weza nokuthi akudliwe lapha kulesa sihlahla bekungafanele kanjalo but anyway kungilo.
What can you say? Oh, in closing, abantu bangasabi.
Yeah, umuntu angasabi lutho bangagive up. And lento le wena uNkulunkulu akuphe yona oyinyatsayo. Le ungacabanga ukuthi yiyo ke leyo. Buka mina bengingazitshela ukuthi ngingahle ngiphile mhlambe ngama market whatsoever bengispanish sibhaya. Mara into bengiyenza ngikhona ukusurvive ngayo. Uma ngathenga something buy and sell, then that's where I survive. But uma ngisebenza straight emlungwini or wherever ebhosini or noma kuphi umuntu ogreen or yellow blue njani bengabi successful angisho ukuthi manje successful but sama phakamisa amasokisi nawo mfowethu noma ngabe ubani la khona ungalilahli ithemba so qhubeka simgqugquzele bafowethu ngalendlela kusho ukuthi manje ngalendlela mina ngi-experience impilo ngakhona ngenzela ukuthi omunye umuntu ongazuthi they going via the similar kind of a situation bakhona ukuphila asilaphaneni bafethu ngendlela right angisho sisestradini sisonke mos yeah
I know sayibhala guys, please subscribe and please support the Shares Nails by Shares. Nami na appointment on Wednesday 12 o'clock. Nami yenza imini cure. Ngishayi bath and shine. Why not my brother? Yeah.
Mfethu shares yazi nibana sekhaya sizomeet.
Yeah.
Yabona nami amazipho wami maybe ayifuna yini pedi something cure.
Yabo? Why not? No, shut up
up.
guys, please ngizofaka ama-details wakhe lapha nikhona ukumlandela TikTok and everywhere, ama-prices and everything, ukuthi ngithola kanjani, contact kanjani naye. Danko, one love.
Support.